Xiaomi E10, a powerful cleaning companion, unbox the future of cordless cleaning with the Xiaomi Mi E10. This sleek and powerful vacuum cleaner is designed to tackle any mess, from everyday dust to stubborn pet hair. Key features: high-powered suction, experience exceptional cleaning performance with up to 150 AW of suction power. Long-lasting battery, clean your entire home on a single charge with the 3000 mAh high-capacity battery. Versatile cleaning, easily switch between floor cleaning, carpet cleaning and handheld mode. Efficient filtration, capture 99.97% of microscopic dust particles with the advanced filtration system. Smart display, monitor real-time cleaning data, battery level, and more on the intuitive LED display. Unboxing highlights: sleek design, admire the elegant and ergonomic design of the E10. Powerful accessories, discover the range of attachments, including a crevice tool, dusting brush, and more. Easy assembly, see how simple it is to assemble the vacuum cleaner. Impressive performance, watch the E10 effortlessly clean various surfaces. Don't miss this in-depth unboxing to learn more about the Xiaomi Mi E10 and why it's the perfect cleaning solution for your home. A brief history of Xiaomi vacuum cleaners, revolutionizing home cleaning. Xiaomi, the tech giant known for its innovative and affordable products, has made significant strides in the realm of home appliances, particularly vacuum cleaners. Let's delve into the history of Xiaomi's foray into this domain. The rise of smart cleaning. Xiaomi's journey into the vacuum cleaner market began with the introduction of its first robotic vacuum cleaner. This groundbreaking device marked a significant departure from traditional cleaning methods, offering autonomous cleaning capabilities. Equipped with advanced sensors and mapping technology, these robots could navigate around obstacles, clean multiple rooms, and even return to their charging dock when the battery was low. A focus on innovation, Xiaomi continued to push the boundaries of vacuum cleaner technology, introducing a range of innovative features. Powerful suction, Xiaomi vacuum cleaners, both robotic and handheld, boast powerful suction to effectively remove dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces. Smart app control. Users can remotely control and monitor their devices through a dedicated smartphone app, allowing for precise cleaning schedules and customized settings. Voice control compatibility. Integration with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon. Alexa enables hands-free control, enhancing convenience. Advanced filtration systems. High-efficiency filtration systems capture microscopic particles, ensuring cleaner air quality. A legacy of quality and affordability. Xiaomi's commitment to affordability and quality has made its vacuum cleaners a popular choice among consumers worldwide. By offering feature-rich products at competitive prices, Xiaomi has disrupted the traditional vacuum cleaner market. As technology continues to evolve, Xiaomi is poised to introduce even more innovative vacuum cleaning solutions. From robotic vacuums that mop floors to handheld models with advanced filtration systems, Xiaomi's dedication to providing efficient and convenient cleaning solutions is evident in every product they release.